Ninjaman arrives for sentencing. Desmond Ballantyne, known in the dancehall entertainment industry as Ninjaman, has arrived at the Home Circuit Court in Kingston for sentencing. Held in custody since the middle of October, Ninjaman, handcuffed, was escorted to the court in the usual police truck minutes before 10 a.m. with other prisoners to face Judge Martin Gale. Dressed in a blue shirt and a matching jacket, he will learn his fate for the March 2009 murder of Ricardo Johnson, also called Trooper, of Mall Road in Kingston. Ninjaman, his son Janelle, and Dennis Clayton were found guilty of the murder by a 7-member jury last month. Also arriving to face Judge Gale for sentencing on Friday morning were the two co-accused. The prosecution had led evidence during the trial that all three contrived to kill Johnson after a domestic dispute went bad. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.